She's a sad car right now. What's up, guys? I haven't posted a video in like almost 2 weeks, so I figure it's time to post a video, and it's something I've been waiting to do for a long time. And I finally had enough money to do it. So I'm also sick, by the way, so kind of moving a lot slower than I wish I would if I wasn't sick, but you know, I'm still gonna get it done. The Mazda currently has yellow brake calipers, which it doesn't really flow with the other colors that are on a part of my car, which are mostly like black, white, silver, like normal colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint them gloss black. And the Mazda's also getting new wheels today. They're sitting right in front of me, but you guys won't get to see them until they're on the car. So I kind of teased a little bit on Instagram with a picture of me with them mounted, but I haven't. Only like my friends and a few select people have actually seen the wheels that I purchased that I ended up going with for this car. So yeah, starting out 2018, big. Something I wish I could have done to the other Mazda, but you know what, I'm glad it's gonna be done to this car. So I've prepped the brakes, I degreased them and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this side dry. The sun's on that side currently, so I already did that side first, so that side should be dry. I'm gonna go ahead and tape off the actual rotors, tape off the lug studs, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint this black too while I'm at it, just because it looks ugly and rusted. But I'm gonna wire brush it down real quick. But for now, just gonna paint these and paint this so that it's not ugly while I have the wheels on the car, because you'll be able to see them a lot better. The point is that having nice wheels when you have like a rusty brake disc, not brake disc, but a rotor pad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tape this side off, the left side, and I'll check back in with you guys when these are black. Alright, I got all of them done. All painted gloss black with Dupli-Color caliper paint. I also painted the rotor pad where the wheel actually sits on too. They're all looking pretty good. I actually just put the last coat on this one of clear, and it says to let everything sit for at least an hour. It's currently 3:43, so I'm thinking at like 5 or something, I'll actually be able to put my wheels on and should be good. Hopefully they'll be dry. I think since I'm done, I'm actually gonna start taking all the tape off my car right now so they can breathe a little bit better. And yeah, so I guess we'll just check back in when the wheels are on. Read the can.
Look at my down. Look at my down.
Which I'm glad I did, and it says that they are dry to touch within 1 hour and dry for actual use in 3 hours. So I'm thinking I'll wait like 2 hours before I actually put the wheels on, just to be safe, and then wait an hour before I actually go drive it after the 2 hours. Yeah, for right now, I'm just gonna take the stuff off. I don't know, we'll see. Probably clean up. I made a really big mess. There. It'll probably be dark by the time I check back in with you guys, but we'll get it done. Okay, so the wheels are on. The car is not quite as low as I would like it, but I feel like the suspension may still have to settle with by going over a speed bump, so I'm gonna go to the front. How long has it been in the air?
Like 24 hours.
Yeah, my car was literally a hovercraft for the last day. So I'm gonna go and see if I can lower real quick, but I'll show you guys the wheels right now. Their work BS SS's 3-piece. So yeah, wow, that's actually gonna rub a lot. Okay. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I just went for a quick drive to see if I could settle the suspension a little bit more, and it turns out that I really couldn't. So still have a little bit of a gap right here. It's enough to like fit your fingers in kind of easily. But I think I'm gonna lower the car a little bit tomorrow in the front. I still have like this much left of threads on my coils for the front. The back, I honestly don't think I'm gonna lower it. Alright guys, it's nighttime now. I'm wearing a beanie. Didn't put my coil dampeners on, but it's okay because we're gonna go to off the wall right now. Car still looks good though. Just needs to be a little bit lower. Anything you want to say?
I like them like that.
No. Needs way more low. But alright guys, not gonna film it off the wall because this battery's about to die. But it's cold too. So, till next video.
I've been down bad, I've been broke before, yeah. Dog, I couldn't even quote, yeah. This song right here, I said it